Hi mga ka-highway heroes!
Welcome to PRLI Vlog Volume 1. And this is a day in the life with the
Light truck driver. At ako nga pala si Jonald.
at ako naman si Dion. So tara, samahan nyo kaming makasama at makilala si
Kuya Jason.
This is Jason, 36 years old, a father of two, and he lives at Donasyon, Angat, Bulacan. And this is Riri, Kuya Jason's youngest daughter. Kuya Jason is going to work using his motorcycle. Just a reminder to you mga ka-highway heroes, for our safety, always wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle. PRLI stands for Pacific Road Link Logistics Incorporated, a leading logistic provider that specializes in trucking and container yard services. PRLI operates in multiple locations here in the Philippines, ensuring that your logistic needs are met. Visit their website for inquiries, seen here and in the description below. Kuya Jason's always inspect the vehicle before he's going to use it. just to make sure that there is no interruption on the road. PRLI also has a 360 vehicle inspection to check if the equipment is complete and the vehicle is in good condition before the trip.
Kuya Jason, ilang years ka na ba sa PRLI bilang driver?
Ako, na-hired ako dito March 2020 during pandemic days.
Ah, matagal na pala. Ano ba ang mga may hirap na naranasan mo bilang light truck driver?
Sa totoo lang, wala na madaling trabaho eh. Siguro sa una yung proseso, pero kalaunan masasanay ka na din.
We are here at the pickup spot to get a queuing form to load items to be delivered to their client.
Kuya Marvin, kamusta naman si Kuya Jason bilang driver?
Si Jay, maingat siya magmaneho sa daan, responsableng driver, mabait, at syempre hindi kami pinapabayaan.
We already arrived at one of the PRLI branch to start loading of the items in the vehicle. So we finish loading the item in the vehicle. Before we deliver it to the client, we will eat our lunch first because it's already 11:30.
Kain tayo.
And now, Marvin will arrange some documents to be signed by their clients. Unloading to their first client. And this is the last unload for their whole trip before going back to garage. We already returned to the garage and we will have another 360 vehicle inspection to check the condition of the vehicle so that we can park inside the yard. Before kay Jason's return the key, he will check first if the vehicle is properly parked and if the doors are locked. Just a reminder to you mga ka-highway heroes, for our safety, always wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle. This is the happiest part of Kuya Jason's day, to return home safe to his loved ones. Kasabihan nga, kahit anong pagod at hirap mo sa trabaho, mapapawi yan pag nakita mo ang pamilya mo.
Thank you, Lord, sa araw na ito, sa pag-iingat sa amin, sa aming mga buhay, at sa kasama sa amin. Sa pag-uwi namin, magkakas kami sa aming mga pamilya. At sa pagkain na yung nasa harap namin, maraming salamat.
Now, Jason will prepare himself and take some rest for his work the next day.
Kamusta naman si PRLI sa pag-handle sa inyo as an employee?
To be honest, wala namang perpektong kumpanya eh. Pero masasabi ko, nasa mabuting kalagayan kami.
Ano na ba ang mga naging pagbabago sa iyo mula nung na-hire ka dito?
Na-provide ko yung mga pangangailangan na sa bahay, especially yung mga anak ko na pag-aral ko, sa itong pangangailangan sa bahay ng pamilya ko.
Ano ba ang sikreto para maging isang magiting na driver sa PRLI?
Kasi sa PRLI, pinatanda kami ng disiplina eh. Siguro ang isang aspeto lang, disiplina lang para tumagal ka sa trabaho mo. At sipag at tiyaga na rin siguro.
Thank you for watching mga ka-Highway Heroes. For more suggestions, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you around.